Hey everyone, welcome back. You guys sent in a ton of articles this week
Yeah.
about some huge EE moves in the crypto world. So today, we're going to do a deep dive into all things Bitcoin, Ethereum,
Oh, wow.
and of course, XRP.
Oh, buckle up.
Yeah, seriously. Bitcoin is like wrestling with some serious bears right now.
Uh-oh.
Ethereum got some tough choices coming up. And XRP, well, XRP has just been on a wild ride.
Sounds like fun.
To help us break it all down, we've got, we have an expert who's like amazing at spotting the patterns
Oh, shucks.
and making sense of all the craziness in the crypto markets.
I try.
So, Bitcoin.
Yeah, Bitcoin. What's up?
It's really been struggling to stay above $100,000.
Yeah, that's a big number.
But even with all that resistance, we're still seeing major players, like corporations, buying it up.
Interesting.
Why is that $100,000 mark so
Well,
important?
no, it's what we call a psychological barrier. It's not like a hard technical limit,
Okay.
But crossing it really shifts how people see Bitcoin. It's kind of like when a stock splits. The fundamentals might not change overnight.
Right.
But that psychological impact, it can really influence how investors act.
So breaking through 100,000, that would be a big deal.
Huge EE. It'd be like a massive vote of confidence in Bitcoin's future. But these constant dips below 100,000,
Yeah.
they show us that some investors are still a little unsure.
Makes sense. It's interesting, though, because some articles mention long-term holders selling off their Bitcoin. But at the same time, companies like MicroStrategy are buying even more.
Oh, that's really interesting.
Why are these two groups acting so differently?
It shows you there are different strategies at play. Those long-term holders, they've been in the game for a while.
Yeah, since the beginning almost.
Right. So they're probably just taking some profits.
Makes sense.
Remember, Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high, $104,088.
Whoa.
So for them, this might be a chance to, cash in a little, secure some gains.
Yeah, I get it.
But then you've got companies like MicroStrategy. They're betting big on Bitcoin for the long haul. They see these dips as a chance to buy more.
At a discount.
Exactly. It all comes down to their investment horizon and how much risk they're willing to take.
So for someone who's trying to figure out where Bitcoin's going next, what should they be watching?
Keep your eye on $95,673. That's the 200-day exponential moving average.
The what?
The 200-day EMA.
Oh, yeah.
It's basically an average of Bitcoin's price over the past 200 days.
Okay.
And it often acts like a support level. Think of it like a floor,
Yeah.
Buyers tend to step in and defend that level.
Interesting.
If Bitcoin bounces off this EMA, it could mean that buying pressure is coming back.
So it could go up again.
Yeah. Potentially even try for another all-time high. But if it dips below this level and stays there, it could mean we're headed for a correction. Prices could drop even more.
So Bitcoin's at a crossroads, kind of just waiting for a sign.
Exactly.
Okay, let's switch gears. Ethereum.
What about it?
Looks like it's facing some selling pressure, too.
Oh, yeah.
Articles mention a potential drop to $3,633.
Interesting.
Now, Ethereum is known for its price swings. Is this a big deal or just another day in the life of Ethereum?
You're right. Ethereum is volatile. But this drop to 3,633, it's important.
Why?
Because that number happens to be another key technical indicator, the 20-day exponential moving average.
Another EMA.
Yep, but this one's a shorter-term EMA.
Right.
Just like the 200-day EMA for Bitcoin, it can act like support. If Ethereum bounces off this 3,633 mark, it could mean that buyers are getting interested again.
So we could see a rally.
Maybe. Potentially up to 4,500, maybe even higher.
Wow.
But if it breaks below this level and stays there,
it's not good.
It could suggest that more declines are on the way.
So Ethereum is basically standing at the edge of a cliff, and that 20-day EMA at 3,633, it's like a safety net.
You got it.
If it holds, things could get really exciting. But if it breaks, we might be in for a free fall.
Yep, that's a good way to put it.
Okay, let's talk about XRP.
Oh boy, XRP.
It was like a rocket ship,
Hey.
shooting up to 2.64.
But then, it took a nosedive.
Classic XRP.
What happened?
That, my friend, is a textbook example of a bull trap.
A butt trap.
A bull trap. Prices surge like crazy. Everyone thinks it'll keep going up.
Yeah, FOMO.
Exactly. So they buy in. But then those who bought early start selling. They take their profits.
And then the price drops.
Like a rock.
Yeah.
And that drop, it attracts the short sellers.
We're betting it'll keep dropping.
Bingo. And that adds fuel to the fire.
Oof. So where's XRP headed now?
Right now, the bears are targeting 1.99.
Okay.
And wouldn't you know it, that also happens to be the 20-day EMA for XRP.
Another EMA.
Seems like they're everywhere, right?
Yeah.
That 1.99 level, that's going to be a battleground for the bulls and bears.
So XRP is living up to its reputation. It's wild.
It always keeps us guessing.
So what are the likely scenarios from here?
Okay, so
Yeah.
if XRP can stay above 1.99,
Yeah.
we might see it try to break past that 2.91 resistance level, the one it hit before.
Yep. If it breaks above that, it could mean the upward trend is back on.
But if it drops below 1.99,
then we're probably looking at more declines.
Got it. So to sum it all up, Bitcoin is facing a big test at 95,673.
Big test.
Ethereum is balancing on a tightrope at 3,633.
Tightrope. Yeah.
And XRP, well, XRP is just doing its thing.
Always unpredictable.
But what's really interesting is how each of these cryptocurrencies is telling us a different story about how the market's feeling and what investors are doing. If you had to pick one of these to watch for the next week,
ooh, tough choice.
Which would you choose and why? Let us know what you think. And hey, remember, the crypto world is always changing.
Always changing.
So stay informed, stay curious, and as always,
happy investing.
Happy investing.